Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. I'm Architect Studio and today we're going to visit Bulua Integrated Bus Terminal here in Cagayan de Oro City. But before that, please like and subscribe to my channel Architect Studio and hit the ring bell to be updated every time I have a new upload in my channel. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's visit one of the integrated bus terminal here in Cagayan de Oro City. Cagayan de Oro is being served by 3 bus terminals, which serve as a gateway to other provinces around Mindanao. The Agora Integrated Bus Terminal has a regular bus schedule to and from Bukidnon, North Cotabato, Surigao, Butuan, Davao, and Balingoan for Camiguin. The Eastern-Gusa Terminal serves trips from Manolo Fortich and Bukidnon and the eastern town of Misamis Oriental, while the Westbound-Bulua Integrated Bus and Jeepney Terminal has a trip to and from western Misamis Oriental, such as Laguindingan, Oroquieta, Ozamiz, Dipolog, Pagadian, Zamboanga, and many more.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the plenty, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get no, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth, was that not, I'm just a lonely fucking you, now when I drive around don't feel it all, why it's getting colder when the sun come out, might just waste away, don't know what life about, another day go by, don't know what got me down. Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah, walk around like who you, yeah, just something you get used to, yeah, go blame the drum blows, yeah, it's just the drum blows, yeah, walk around like who you, yeah, just something you get used to, yeah.
Hawakan mo ang kamay ko at dadaling kita sa naman gusto. Akong magsisilbing gabay mo. Ipipit mo ang iyong mga mata at lilipat tayong dalawa. Akasa ko lagi ng mundo, wala nang iba, ikaw lang ako. Handa kong ibigay ng buo ang puso ko sa'yo lang talaga, kaya umawa sa aking gabay. Handang ibigay lahat ng naisin mo para sa ating paglalakbay. Ang iyong kamay sa aking ibigay, hindi ka bibitawan saan man mapunta ang biyahe natin dalawa. Nating dalawa. Nating dalawa. Nating Hawakan mo ang kamay ko, ako ang iyong baluti sa lahat ng kasakitan mo. Akong magsisilbing gabay mo. Buksan ang iyong mga mata, huwag mong pigilan ang saya. Kasama natin ang Huwag mong bitawan ang kapit mo sa aking kamay. Naisin mo para sa ating palakbay. Sa aking bihay, hindi ka bibitaw. Saan man mapunta ang biyahe nating dalawa. Nating dalawa. Nating dalawa. Hindi ka bibitaw. Saan man mapunta ang biyahe nating dalawa.
Higala, duwaw na sa CDO tsada. Higala, duwaw na sa CDO tsada. Bitch, ko GM sa atong friends. Inang mga untas TV Choy. Sa taon niya gabi ikaw. Daday mong best buddy game. Sinanong ta sa amo sis. Pwede na mo mag-rafting bro. Tunay plitin mo show. Pagdala ko ang pinya best. Jogging ta sa sports center break. Tungan ta simba unga dud. Daday mong gitara best friend. Nagulat na ang problem. Higala, duwaw na sa CDO tsada. Higala, duwaw na sa CDO tsada. Rosie's Scout Showbiz. Renta ng barkada. Ay, Boju, Joy, Biggs, Team, Tropa. Rosie's Scout Showbiz. Renta ng barkada. By Boju, Dude, Joy, Team, Mix, Team, Tropa. Higala, duwaw na sa CDO tsada. Higala, duwaw na sa CDO tsada. Higala, duwaw na sa CDO tsada. Higala, duwaw na sa CDO tsada.
A special shout out to my members and thank you for the support and being part of Architect Studio family. Walk with Ruru by Ruru Campo based in South Korea. Ed's Kusina Channel is a blogger based in Japan. Ang's Dave is a food blogger based in Davao. Julie Jules TV is a plantita based in Calabarzon. Taga Lopez is a blogger based in United Arab Emirates. Jules TV is a lifestyle blogger based in Hong Kong. Joy's Wonderful Kitchen is a blogger based in Japan. Wings Blog is a Bisayang Tagalog that loves Mang Tomas. Lizelle Pardo is a lifestyle blogger. My gorgeous friend Chobaki Blog is a lifestyle blogger based in Leyte. Henry Danga, a travel blogger featuring the development and progress of Metro Manila. Miss Yuri, a lifestyle blogger based in Bonifacio Global City. Master Salvero Blog, a live streamer of Pateros, Metro Manila. Ate Muchi Muchi, featuring the land of the rising sun, Japan. Banana Man Junrei Malingi, a live streamer of Iligan City. Latago Venture, a lifestyle blogger from Hong Kong. Rai Rai on the Go, a live streamer of Cagayan de Oro City. Monica Malingi, a lifestyle blogger from Republic of China. Miss Pinky Llamera, a lifestyle blogger from Middle East. Basio 5, a blogger from Singapore. Real Kill Channel, a lifestyle blogger from Hong Kong. Call me Sander, a 40 years old millennial. Miss Marbetraland, a blogger from Bohol. Ate I Gave You, a blogger from Saudi Arabia. Master Amo Bossing, Boom Borja, John Lloyd Cruz of Metro Cebu. Thank you so much for watching and more videos to come.
To Architect Gerald of Architect Studio, congratulations on your milestone of achievements. I hope to see you soon here in Europe, and we're gonna vlog together and have fun together. So from the Brilliant Family YouTube channel, congratulations once again. I hope to see you.